Hey everyone, Minisforum M1-1295 is the latest entry in the company's expanding lineup of compact high-performance mini PCs, and it stands out as one of the most powerful options in its size class. At the heart of this small desktop is Intel's Core i9-12950HX 16-core, 24-thread processor capable of boosting up to 5.0 GHz. This chip, normally found in high-end gaming laptops and workstation systems, gives the M1-1295 an impressive level of performance for heavy multitasking, creative workloads, and even light gaming, all within a device that easily fits on the palm of your hand. In terms of design, the M1-1295 follows a minimalist philosophy reminiscent of Apple's earlier unibody Mac Mini. The front panel is completely clean, free of buttons or ports, while all connectivity options are placed neatly along the back. The chassis itself is CNC machined and features a silver and white two-tone finish that gives it a premium look suited for both professional and home environments. Despite its small footprint, measuring 195 by 193 by 52 millimeters and weighing just 1.12 kilograms, the device feels sturdy and well-built. Inside, Minisforum has equipped the system with an efficient internal cooling solution that uses copper heat pipes, a turbine fan, and well-placed side vents to manage thermals effectively. This ensures that the Core i9 chip maintains strong, sustained performance without excessive fan noise or heat buildup. Out of the box, the M1-1295 ships with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, and 32 gigs of RAM. The motherboard supports 2 PCIe 4.0 SSD slots and up to 96 gigs of DDR4 memory, allowing users to expand storage up to 8 terabytes and memory well beyond the typical limits for a mini PC. Connectivity options are comprehensive and geared toward professionals who need flexibility. On the rear, users will find 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, 2 USB 2.0 Type-A ports, and 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port that supports both 10 gigabits per second data transfer and DisplayPort Alt mode. There's also HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4 for video output, a 2.5G Ethernet port for fast-wired networking, and 3 audio jacks for microphone, line-in, and line-out connections. The M1-1295 supports triple-screen setups with resolutions of up to 4K at 144 Hz via DisplayPort, 4K at 60 Hz via HDMI, and 4K at 60 Hz via USB-C, making it a versatile choice for multitaskers and creative professionals. Wireless connectivity is equally robust, with Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring fast and reliable connections across modern devices. A Kensington lock slot is also included for added physical security, which makes the system suitable for office or shared environments. Power is supplied via a 120-watt adapter, which is sufficient to support the system's high-performance components while maintaining efficiency. Overall, the Minisforum M1-1295 strikes a compelling balance between power, portability, and practicality. Its combination of the Core i9-12950HX processor, excellent connectivity, and upgradable internals makes it a true powerhouse in a compact form factor. Whether used as a desktop replacement, a content creation workstation, or a high-end office PC, the M1-1295 delivers exceptional performance and refined design that rivals much larger systems. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day and God bless you.